As a rock guitarist, you know that having killer guitar tone is essential to creating an impactful and memorable performance. It's not just about playing the right notes, it's about crafting a sonic experience that captivates your audience and leaves them wanting more. In this article, we will share 5 expert tricks that every rock guitarist must know to achieve an electrifying guitar tone. Dial in the perfect amp settings. The first step in achieving killer guitar tone is dialing in the perfect amp settings. Start by setting your gain or distortion level to match the intensity of your music style, whether it's classic rock crunch or heavy metal distortion. Experiment with different EQ settings to find the balance between bass, mid-range, and treble frequencies that suits your playing style and enhances your sound. Don't be afraid to push boundaries and explore new possibilities. Master your effects pedals. Effects pedals are a powerful tool for shaping your guitar tone and adding depth to your sound. Experiment with various effects such as delay, reverb, chorus, or wah-wah pedals to create unique textures and atmospheres in your playing. However, remember that less is often more when it comes to using effects pedals. Use them tastefully and sparingly so they enhance rather than overpower your overall sound. Choose high-quality guitar cables. Often overlooked but crucial for maintaining optimal signal integrity is using high-quality guitar cables. Inferior cables can introduce unwanted noise into your signal chain, which can degrade the quality of your tone significantly. Invest in shielded cables with sturdy connectors to minimize interference from external sources like power lines or radio signals. Explore different pickups. The type of pickups on your electric guitar plays a significant role in shaping its overall tonal character. Single-coil pickups offer clarity and brightness, while humbuckers provide a thicker and more powerful sound. Experiment with different pickup configurations to find the one that best suits your playing style and musical genre. Consider upgrading your pickups if you feel they are holding back your guitar tone. Embrace the power of preamp tubes. If you play an electric guitar through a tube amp, understanding the role of preamp tubes can greatly enhance your guitar tone. Preamp tubes shape the initial stages of amplification and can add warmth, saturation, or brightness to your sound depending on their characteristics. Research different types of preamp tubes like 12AX7 or L34 and experiment with swapping them out to find the perfect combination for your desired tone. By implementing these 5 expert tricks into your practice routine and live performances, you will be able to rock the stage with killer guitar tone that sets you apart from other musicians. In conclusion, crafting killer guitar tone is an art form in itself. It requires experimentation, knowledge, and a deep understanding of how different elements come together to create a captivating sonic experience. By dialing in the perfect amp settings, mastering effects pedals, using high-quality cables, exploring different pickups, and embracing the power of preamp tubes, you will unlock new dimensions in your playing that will leave audiences awestruck. So go ahead. Dive into these expert tricks headfirst. Unleash your creativity and take risks with your guitar tone. After all, rock music is all about pushing boundaries and creating something extraordinary. With these tools at hand, there's no limit to what you can achieve as a rock guitarist ready to conquer any stage.